One, they should be treated as mentally ill. मुझे नहीं लगता anything in this world gives you the right to ruin someone else's life who's completely new in your life. Why do you want to be in a relationship? I want to experience everything in life.
It's all good. Niyati is blind right now. We were coming to meet you. ठीक है, और मैं कैमरा से रिकॉर्ड कर रही थी. अब गार्ड ने पकड़ लिया मेरे को, ठीक है, तो अब वहाँ पे रुक गई कहानी.
We have stopped at 2 rest and service areas but realized that there's nothing there. Right now we're stopping only to take Miss Pinto for a walk. So, and we haven't even found a petrol pump. This is concerning because it's a long stretch and there is no, or at least what seems to be a functional eating place and absolutely no petrol pumps. Because I've been thinking of going to the petrol pump the minute we see, because we need refueling, but haven't been able to see. We want to get back to the conversation that we left off. Coming to that, so what should be the punishment for such people, who are traumatizing people, right? They're traumatizing women. I'm sure women also must have done this to some men. What should be the what should it be that if you were someone who was hurt like that, what would you think? Yeah, this is this will be great wake up call for this person.
यार ये थोड़ा सा ग्रे है because I feel that when it's just sometimes we don't know how many testimonies are we really even talking about here? Is it an isolated an experience? And क्योंकि lots of these other things like what is the other person's say understanding in general about relationships with the other gender, etc. Right? Like there can be someone who's just very bodily affectionate, man, woman anyway. Right?
No, but I'm talking about the people who make people believe they are in love. उनके लिए punishment, non-molestation वाला, उनके लिए तो अलग ही.
अच्छा,
हाँ. I'm saying कि मतलब
for the make people believe that, मेरे को लगता है I don't know, punishment, maybe they could be called out, maybe you make sure that if it's happened with you and the person, whoever's done it with you can probably make sure that your community and everyone around you knows, even theirs maybe. Maybe don't think of it as
something you have to keep yourself.
Yeah, probably make sure that enough people know around so that if the same thing is being attempted with someone else, the other person can be wary, I guess.
So more like
and वो सबसे पहले तो मेरे को लगता है कि please I mean encourage that person to take therapy for sure, because this is not normal behavior.
Yeah, because I think it is blasphemous to to spoil someone else's life. अपनी life spoil करनी है करो ना.
Yeah.
तुम किसी और को trauma देके क्यों जा रहे हो भाई?
Yeah.
Sorry, I want to actually add a funny thing here. There is this place called Limkheda that I've been seeing on the board for a while. अभी हम Limkheda cross किए हैं बस. I think it should be Gujarat only. And मैं बार उसको LinkedIn की तरह I've been reading it कि LinkedIn क्या आ गया? That's how much I'm into LinkedIn these days. Anyway, so okay, I understood. What do you think? What do I think about about the cheating ones?
Cheating, हाँ वही cheating ही हो गया एक तरीके से. हाँ.
हाँ cheating ही है. This is real cheating actually. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो जो one off कभी तुम drunk तुमने कुछ कर दिया. That's not cheating according to me. I think that's a gross mistake. Depends upon your partner how they take it. Cheating is कि एकदम झूठ ही बोलना दो लोगों को, right? मैं तेरे साथ हूँ या मैं तेरे साथ.
Giving dreams to two different people.
हाँ मतलब तुम you're ruining lives. मतलब बहुत गुस्सा आता है मेरे को. ये चीज में वो बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है. One, they should be treated as mentally ill. Because I think कि
but mentally, this is, I don't know what the, I mean, I don't know what you can do to make that person realize कि यार ये ना sickness है. This is not sorry बोलने वाला mistake.
Yeah. You
Sorry
fix
तो सबसे
yourself.
पहले मत बोलो, ठीक है? ये तो कोई sorry.
मैं तो सोचती हूँ ना कि when if such people decide to fix themselves, ठीक है, and take therapy and you know get better, yeah, whichever way they have to get better, but most likely therapy only, right? And get better. अगर तुम सच में ठीक हो जाओगे, say the normal version of normal हो जाओगे, the right version of normal, तो I think तुम्हें खुद ही समझ में आ जाएगा कि how big a mistake. हाँ. And once that happens, then you can actually go and
enjoy life.
And try and undo what you've done. तब तुम जाके sorry बोल सकते हो. Then there's a space because then you will apologize also in the manner that you should have, which you can only be aware of once you really get aware of your mistake.
Yeah.
जब तक you're not aware of your mistake और तुम अपने मन में अपने आप को excuses दे ही रहे हो, तो तुम सामने वाले को क्या fake apology offer करोगे? So maybe fix yourself and then
maybe
get closer to other people.
तो मतलब लेकिन हाँ, I think बहुत लंबा journey है for that person. I don't know, maybe you should talk to his or her friends, family, say कि यार they need help. हाँ, they need help. इसने ये किया मेरे साथ. You know, as a friend of the victim, I would say.
But कई बारी मैं देखती हूँ कि ऐसे लोगों के जो फैमिली वाले होते हैं वो खुद ही sort of enablers होते हैं.
That's true. That's
you know, हमारी बेटी महान, हमारा बेटा महान, उस टाइप के.
Yeah, so a lot of all of this.
कि वो क्या कर सकते हैं, लोगों को ऐसे ही प्यार हो जाता है उससे. It's not the fault or his fault.
A lot of this comes down to parenting, the way they have seen love बचपन से, ये सब what has happened in their previous relationships. गाड़ी आ रही. But यार इसकी आँख, मुझे नहीं लगता anything in this world gives you the right to ruin someone else's life who's completely new in your life. हद हो गई मतलब. Seriously यार, कैसे आदमी हो?
I think we're done with that topic.
I had one more question which I'm actually forgetting. Do you have any questions about me, my personality?
Yeah.
Off shoulder is looking good. Anyway.
So, like we know that, you know, that you have been looking for a partner for so long, right?
Yeah.
And अरे
कुछ और लेना, but कोई ले नहीं रहा.
But you also have had all these experiences and different relationships, etc. तो तुझे क्या लगता है, like what is your learning from your experiences and why, what do you think, why do you want to be in a relationship so bad? Diksha, मेरे को एक lip balm है. Sorry.
देख. I love that it came on camera so that everyone can see how much I'm struggling as a co-driver. Why do I want a relationship is great.
Like, do you want a relationship? Do you want a partner more? Do you want a relationship more? Like, they could be two different things, right?
So I'm the kind of person, I mean, as you have seen me since childhood, I want to experience everything in life. So many things that I have in mind actually. Marriage is one of them. I want to experience it. There is no deep answer to that. कि ओ मुझे लगता है कि क्या ये होगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मुझे लगता है कि ऐसा नहीं है कि I'll be in a marriage and I'll, you know, like many women get stuck. That's not. In fact, I feel like I'll be good at it for some reason.
And what is marriage for you?
Companionship for life. I think, you know, having a co-founder in your life, basically. A partner you can build your life with. And anyway, I've been living alone for 4 years now and, you know, doing everything.
But isn't that a conscious choice?
Of course, it's a conscious choice, but no, I mean, yeah, how you grow up, nurture yourself as an adult is on you, not on anyone else, right? I felt that living alone will teach me something. Okay, taking decisions in a household, which help, when to change the help if required, how much to pay them, how to order groceries. A lot of that teaches you a lot, yeah. To run a household is a job in itself, right? Like how we talk about many women who choose to do that at home and they call it unpaid labor, right? It is a job.
It is unpaid leave.
Absolutely, and it is a job. So I wanted to experience living alone. It was also a bucket list item like marriages. So I think that तो marriage का ये है कि हाँ मतलब I've never experienced it, so I want to. I think I will be good at it also.
And why do you say that you'll be good at it?
Because
Like, do you think you're compromising in nature or?
no, I think I have a very partner. Like I will be. I can really support someone in life emotionally, personally. In terms of especially tough times, मुझे लगता है कि मैं बहुत सही problem solving करती हूँ.
This filter is on my Roku. What are your thoughts?
Mine?
What just happened?
अरे यार, we went through a really like a weird speed breaker and the car just दीक्षित तो तेरे कैंप से कार just went धड़ so मिस पिंटो डर गई है और अब तेरी गोदी में आके बैठ गई है और अब ट्रैफिक मिल रहा है हमें. आई थिंक हम सिटी एंटर कर चुके हैं, इट सीम्स, या करने वाले हैं.
हमने गिम्बल इसलिए लिया हुआ है क्योंकि जल जा रहा है, कैमरा गर्म हो जा रहा है तो उससे नहीं पा रहा.
से जल जा रहा है यार, इट्स स्कैरी.
But Miss Pinto, it's all good.
So that's why you decided to put it on a gimbal and get your dog on the lap and then shoot.
No, she came on my lap herself. I am just not
Forcing her to go back because she's scared.
you know, that's the thing. Yeah, I guess we will go like this for a while.
So we are at art district, which you can't see because of the light. That's Nehadi. Nehadi, say hi.
Hi.
Nehadi is blind right now. Okay,
Fully.
So Rishabh, stop laughing. Wait, I have a story to tell here. Okay.
Go on.
The story is that हम लोग we were coming to meet you, ठीक है? और मैं कैमरा से रिकॉर्ड कर रही थी. अब गार्ड ने पकड़ लिया मेरे को, ठीक है? तो अब वहाँ पे रुक गई कहानी.
Oh,
दीक्षा, ठीक है. Sorry. Okay, I'll have to pause it. Maybe can you hold it? क्या हुआ? They have called me. एक second, sorry. हाँ जी.
कैमरा अंदर ना रहो.
ओह अच्छा, is it? अच्छा, sorry, नहीं ऑफ कर देती हूँ.
हमें अलाउ नहीं है.
हाँ. ऑफ कर रही हूँ और हम अंदर ले जाने नहीं लगे. But my story was that Rishabh, by the way, is one of your
Can you just like move the camera the other way?
first client.
Your name is
And now
Rishabh,
he's
not
my
mine.
friend. And he's in Baroda,
Yes.
where we have halted for tonight, and we came to meet him, and he treated us to dinner.
Yeah,
we obviously
lovely,
didn't pay.
beautiful dinner.
But mostly I think he paid because Nehadi is.
Oh my
Light.
God, I am. There is just too much scattering of light here.
Yeah, we should first go to the pharmacy.
Diksha's not prioritizing my eye only, yaar.
We can
It's amazing.
anywhere, everywhere.
Yeah, Diksha, my eye is.
Okay, you guys can keep walking. I can literally walk.
यहाँ से walk कर. Diksha, ये चलो. यहाँ से मैं. Miss Pinto. चलो.
Sorry, चलो.
चलो इधर यार.
So as you can see, I'm not annoying at all.
You have no idea.
On this road trip, I am really not annoying. Just taking a blind person ka video. Who cares? Miss Pinto.
So Niyadi went for swimming today, and after that she has become blind.
यार मजाक मत उड़ा, ठीक है? कि सच में कुछ हो गया ना मेरी आंख,
नहीं कुछ भी नहीं हुआ
मुझे
है.
मार दूंगी मैं.
10 घंटे ड्राइव करना है फिर
हाँ.
के लिए।
And now
हाँ.
he has to tell us कि कहाँ पे जाए जहाँ पे दवाई मिल जाएगा, ठीक है? But ठीक है, यही है. For tonight this is it. Actually मैं बाद में बताऊंगी कि ऐसे ही होता है यार. Rushabh
चलो,
doesn't know what it
interesting.
takes to be a cameraman.
दीक्षा वहाँ पे डॉग है
You
क्या?
don't know. Oh, okay, now I'm going. Bye. Dog है.
So it's going to be the longest drive until now.
इसको दवाई डालना पड़ता है इसके मुंह में ताकि इसको रास्ते में. That Diksha and I left Mumbai together and we will be arriving back in Mumbai city together.
Same ही time
Few minutes.
जो कल से रात से दिख रहे.
Good morning, day 3, Tata.